Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's one half of DXA. So I'm currently about to try and find a barber here in Mexico. Been here a little over a month now, and I have not gotten a haircut. I haven't bought clippers yet or trimmers, and I'm really gonna need to invest in that because boy out here looking rough. Last time I went to my barber back in Florida, he kind of messed me up. I'm not even gonna front. I need to get a haircut, and I don't know how to cut my own hair yet. Wifey and I are supposed to do a little photo shoot at this restaurant that we plan on going and enjoying the beach. Let's see how this goes today. I found a spot that I'm hoping the barbers are qualified and not just Joe down the road who just picked up some clippers. Although you can find some good barbers like that. But one thing is we're still in COVID. I need to put my mask on, even though there's nobody in the road right now but cars. And just want to make sure it's sanitary. So that's why I found a place that, based upon the reviews, based upon pictures, it's clean and they're taking their precautions. Another thing to keep in mind is I'm a black man. The texture of my hair may be different from those who are Mexican, Hispanic. And so if you don't know how to properly cut hair in different hair textures, that's gonna be a problem. Because I'm sitting in their chair, they're gonna be looking at me like, and I don't want that. So that's another thing to consider. I just want a simple fade. Just clean my face and give me a skin fade. That should be simple. My locks start pretty much almost at my hairline. I do have two hairlines basically. I have one here and then there's another one like right here. A hairline for men is edges. Like how women love their edges, that's the same thing for men. We like our hairline. This dog, I don't know what he was trying to do. Trying to creep up on the brother. We're still in Tulum. Been here a couple of days. Tulum is country, for real, yo. I like Playa. People sleep on Playa del Carmen. There's a lot of nice Airbnbs, just like Tulum. But as far as the exclusive resorts and hotel stays, and you can find some really nice Airbnbs far out in Tulum. Yeah, they definitely got that. But overall, you can still find that in Playa and it not look as country. And I feel like where we were staying in Playa, definitely it was more of like the city. I guess that's why we liked it, because we like our privacy, but again, we like the easy accessibility to the city or to a lot of restaurants. Where we are in Tulum, it's close to Centro, but it's still about a 10-minute walk. And then it's about 25 minutes from the hotel zones. A lot of people out here, they ride bicycles, which is pretty dope. I'm gonna try and hail a cab because this barbershop said it's about like a 30-minute walk. I don't mind walking, but I don't want to. And hopefully it should be only like 50 pesos. Okay, so I made it to the barber shop. That's the shop right over there. I don't know, man. I don't know if I should do this. Asked to get a haircut, and apparently it's by appointment only. And they're pretty much booked. Yeah, thinking I might look to see if there's a barber shop nearby and just kind of take a peek to see. Should I try that? Or should I just stick to what I looked at? I mean, I think I saw this one too. But again, I am a black man, a Jamaican man. Jano style. Okay, so I found the other barbershop. It looks empty. You always kind of want to feel the vibe of a barbershop, whether or not it feels welcoming. Customer service and the experience is also something you want to feel comfortable enough to let someone touch your face and your head. So you kind of want to get a feel. So I'm gonna see if I can vibe off with them. Yeah. So I just finished getting a haircut here. The name of the barbershop is Fur Barbershop, F-E-R. Not sure what that represents. But I went to a guy named Carmelo, and one of my only requests was that you don't push back my hairline. See? And he did a good job. I always tell my wife this, like, yo, you can give me the worst haircut, but yo, if my hairline no push back, hair can grow back. Especially because now me have locks, I'm pleased. It was only 180 pesos. I gave him like a $80 tip as well. Yeah, it's time to now meet up with wifey. I feel fresh. Clean me up nice. Don't look too shabby. So, oh, this look good. Like, can I get that juice? Monkey's juice bar. It's the Monkey's juice bar, that's all. Can I get that drink? That smoothie was dumb good. So I'm back home. Yo, it got hot. It was not this hot this morning. Or an hour ago. Buena. I mean, hola. I'm saying buena. Acha. Hola. What's up, my baby? Somebody look good. Watch ya. Look nice.
Let me see your hair. Yes.
Don't hit nothing.
He did keep your hairline.
Yeah.
But it's crazy because you could see where the last person like.
Yeah, he went back too far.
Yeah. I learned Spanish man cut your hair?
Carmelo.
Carmelo?
Carmelo.
Carmelo.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Carmelo do a good job, man.
Come on, him clean up nice, man. You got the camera out and everything.
Yeah.
Your hair glowing. Oh, okay. You ready?
I've been ready.
We are in our taxi, currently headed to the beach. Going to a little beach club resort. Spend the afternoon, grab a little bite to eat.
Not a little bite, a big bite.
A big bite? A big bite? Okay. That's fine. That's fine with me. We're here. We made a change of plans. We're at Tulum. Enjoying your food, your snack. Soon get our burgers. This medium well.
Yeah. Do an outfit change real quick. Gotta go take some photos on the beach. Thanks to my swimsuit, aka two-piece bodysuit, to my sister-in-law. I was recording.
You were?
Yeah.
Oh. Mexican pizza and water.
Bruh.
This is dumb good. You mashed up 2 slices already?
Yup.
Yeah.
This ain't no Domino's.
Sorry, Domino's, we love you, but
I just want to taste the cake.
we got food wasted again.
Can you pass my bonnet?